The report released by Save the Children in commemoration of Mother's Day focuses on maternal health disparities between rich and poor in urban areas. According to the report, of the 17,000 children that die every day before reaching their 5th birthday, a big number of their deaths are occurring in city slums, where life-saving healthcare may be only a stone's throw away, but the poorest mothers and children often cannot get the care they need. Kenya ranks at position 138 out of 179 countries, just 41 places ahead of the worst country in the world to give birth, Somalia. Norway is ranked as the best country in the world, while Libya is the best African country to give birth, followed by Tunisia, Mauritius, South Africa and Algeria. Rwanda, Zimbabwe and Tanzania have also been ranked better than Kenya in maternal health care. Kenya has, however, moved 5 positions up from last year, which could be attributed to the Beyond Zero campaign. The report also rates Kenya among countries with the largest gaps between the rich and urban poor children, that poor urban children in Kenya are at least twice as likely to die as the richest urban children before they reach their 5th birthday. Esther Kahumbi, Citizen Business Center.